Welcome to 32424 County Road 137 in Lambert, just outside Sydney, Montana. Set on 9 acres, this beautifully updated 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home blends rural tranquility with refined living. Whether you're dreaming of a hobby farm or simply room to breathe, this property delivers complete with a 2,400 square foot heated shop. Inside, the main level welcomes you with a spacious dining area that's perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The heart of the home is the beautifully remodeled kitchen, complete with custom alder cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, ample counter space, and a layout designed for both function and flow. Just beyond, the open and inviting living room offers a warm and comfortable setting, ideal for cozy evenings or hosting friends in style. On the 3rd floor, you'll find an updated bathroom featuring modern fixtures and thoughtful design touches that blend comfort with style. The generous primary suite offers a peaceful retreat, complete with its own private bath, ideal for unwinding at the end of the day. 2 additional bedrooms on this level provide flexible space that can serve as children's rooms, guest quarters, or creative studios, each offering scenic views that highlight the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Whether you need room to grow or space to recharge, this floor has the versatility to fit your lifestyle. Two levels down, the home continues to impress with a spacious additional bedroom, perfect for guests, teens, or extended families seeking a bit of privacy and comfort. You'll find a designated space for a home gym, allowing you to stay committed to your fitness goals. A dedicated office provides the perfect environment for remote work or creative pursuits. For added functionality, this floor includes a well-equipped laundry area with room for folding, storage, and organization. Just steps away, a fully updated bathroom with modern finishes ensures convenience for anyone utilizing this lower level, whether for daily living or as an independent guest suite. On the lowest level, a cozy basement family room offers the ideal space for movie nights, game day, or simply unwinding in comfort. With updated systems throughout, including a premium RO water filtration setup, this home combines privacy, functionality, and modern convenience, all wrapped in a peaceful country setting. Don't miss a chance to view this lovely home.